Neville Goddard's I Am technique, is a powerful manifestation tool rooted in the belief that your imagination and consciousness are the true sources of your reality. This technique emphasizes the importance of self-identification with your desired state of being, using the phrase "I am" to assert control over your reality. Below is an in-depth, step-by-step manual to effectively practice Neville Goddard's I Am technique. Creating an in-depth, step-by-step manual for Neville Goddard's I Am technique involves breaking down the process into understandable, actionable steps that anyone can follow to manifest their desires using the power of their imagination and self-concept. Here's how one might articulate this technique. 1. Understand the power of I Am. Recognize that I Am represents your true, limitless nature and the creative power you possess. It's the core of your being, the source of all that you manifest in your life. 2. Identify your desire. Clearly define what you wish to manifest or achieve. It should be something you truly desire and feel passionate about. 3. Enter a state akin to sleep, SATs. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Relax your body and mind, aiming to reach a state between wakefulness and sleep, known as the state akin to sleep, SATs. This state is where your subconscious is most receptive to suggestion. 4. Craft a scene that implies fulfillment. Imagine a short scene that implies your desire is already fulfilled. This scene should evoke feelings of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude. It doesn't need to show the process of achieving your desire, but rather the outcome. 5. Incorporate sensory vividness. As you visualize this scene, engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, taste, and smell? The more vivid the sensory details, the more real it feels to your subconscious. 6. Feel the reality of the scene. Embody the emotions you would feel if your desire were already fulfilled. Feelings are the language of the subconscious. The stronger your emotional response, the more potent your manifestation will be. 7. Use affirmative I am statements. While in this state, affirm your new reality with confidence and conviction using I am statements. For example, I am successful, I am loved, I am healthy. These affirmations should align with the reality you wish to create. 8. Repeat until it feels real. Repeat the visualization and affirmations nightly until the scene feels real to you, until you can touch it with your hands in your imagination, and until you fully believe in the reality of your manifestation. 9. Let go and trust. Release your desire to the universe with trust and confidence. Avoid obsessing over the outcome. Live in the state of knowing it is already yours. 10. Live from the end. Proceed with your daily life as if your desire is already fulfilled. Your actions, thoughts, and feelings should reflect the reality you have created in your imagination. By diligently practicing the I Am technique, you're not just wishing for a change, you're embodying the change. It's a profound shift in identity and consciousness that aligns you with your desires, leveraging the creative power of your imagination and emotions. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of becoming and manifesting your true desires. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on self-improvement, health, wealth, love, and the laws that govern our universe. By joining our community, you're taking a pivotal step towards your personal and spiritual growth. Don't miss out on this journey of transformation and manifestation. Click the subscribe button now, and let's unlock your limitless potential together.